Don't try this at home. All right, I'm gonna put this in. The speaker is on right now. You see the lights? Let's put it in. What's up guys, it's BT here, and this is a review of the Tribit maxsound Plus speaker, the bigger brother of one of my favorite budget speakers ever. Now Tribit is one of those sleeper companies that I think could be huge one day, and that's why I cover their products, to be honest with you, because they make really great products that are comparable to like the mainstream companies like Bose, Sony, and JBL. These speakers usually run for about $99, but they currently have a sale on Amazon for $56, which is a steal in my opinion. So in this review, I'm going to be telling you why I think this is one of the best, if not the best, budget Bluetooth speaker on the market, period. So let's start off with the design of this speaker. It comes in black and it has a nice weight to it, but not so heavy that it would make you think twice about bringing it along to a party. They've got a nice matte finish around the outside of the speaker, and it's also IPX7 rated waterproof, meaning it can be submerged up to 1 meter for 30 minutes and still work perfectly fine. Let's test it out, shall we? Let's put this thing to the test. I think I have something that might do the trick. Let's see, guys. All right, I think this is gonna do. So I'm gonna submerge this. Oh, this is kind of heavy. Don't try this at home. All right, I'm gonna put this in. The speaker is on right now. You see the lights? Let's put it in. All right, so we are putting it in. Yeah, let's twirl it around a little bit. Whoosh it around. Oh. Whoa. Let's see if this thing works. Whoa, let's hope. I'm gonna look either really stupid for doing that or really smart, because this thing is amazing. So let's press play.
If you rapping for money, you silly. This shit ain't a milli. This shit is 100. The industry savage.
Okay. We gotta cut it off because I'm gonna get copyright strike for that. Anyways, guys, I don't know if you can see on camera, but I was sweating a little bit during that testing. Oh, I don't know how good of an idea that was. I'm all wet now for the rest of this review, but as you can see, this thing can be submerged underwater. You can have it in like humid weather and it'll work perfectly fine for you. On the back of the speaker, you'll find the charging port that charges via a micro USB. It also has a place for an aux cord, so if you want to connect this directly to your phone or some other device, you can do that as well. And both cords are provided with the speaker in the box. Up top, you'll find the controls containing the power button, a Bluetooth button, a volume rocker, and an exceptional bass button. The buttons feel a lot smoother than past Tribit speakers, and they give you this nice satisfying click. Is anybody else obsessed with clicks like me? I don't know, is that like a computer guy thing or just a weirdo thing? I don't know. Let me know. Am I the only one? Let me know down in the comments below. One area I feel like Tribit could improve on is the string that holds up the speaker. I don't feel too confident in the cord. It has already loosened on me a little bit when I played around with it, but not so much that I felt like it would completely fall off the hook. I'm just more worried about like over time, after it's been hung a couple times, that it might get too tight or too loose. That being said, the string is very functional for hanging up at parties so that the sound doesn't get drowned out when it's like at below or like on a table somewhere and you know people are talking and then your music gets drowned out. What I love most about Tribit is, unlike some other budget speakers, when you put this thing up to max volume, there is little to no distortion, just good clean sound. And not only that, the max volume is ridiculously loud, probably too loud for me to play into my microphone. I think it would blow out my microphone because it is just that loud. When I play this in my room, I can hear it downstairs in my kitchen clearly. When using the speaker, even though it's blasting out in one direction, you can actually hear it coming through the back as well, and it gives you a nice 3D sound. I don't know how they do it, but it just comes out and it like comes around the speaker. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what it does. And I was surprised at how well the speaker, when like facing a different way, it sounds great coming from the other side. I don't know. You get it? The Tribit maxsound Plus is so good that it's been my speaker of choice when I've just been like chilling around the house, listening to music, filming these videos. I've just put this on, put some music on, and just got to work. The exceptional bass button warms up and increases the low end without being too obnoxious like some other companies. Let's drop a sound test of the speaker right now. Alright, now this is the song without the exceptional bass on. Now, as you can see, the extra bass was very slight, but it's enough to where if you're listening to like EDM or rap or any other bass heavy songs, that it would give you a nice little bump in the bass without being obnoxious. Now, vocals are another area where budget Bluetooth speakers often struggle, sounding muddy or distant, but not with the Tribit Max Plus. It brings out tonality in rappers and singers' voices. The treble is very polite, to say the least. Turning off the exceptional bass or X bass will allow the treble its time to shine a little bit more though. Overall guys, for the price, I don't see any other speaker beating the power of this 24-watt speaker. The battery life is also amazing, coming in at 20 hours. It matches some other big brands like the JBL Charge 3, but at a half of the cost, so amazing value here. The range on the speaker is up to 100 feet, so you won't be tied to sticking near your speaker if you are DJing a party, which I have been guilty of. You know, we're all a self-proclaimed DJ when it comes to partying and having a Bluetooth speaker. So at $56, the Tribit maxsound Plus speaker is an exceptional budget speaker. As a matter of fact, I think this just might be the best Bluetooth speaker for the money, period. It's got everything you could ever want in a speaker, from great battery life to amazing clarity at high volumes. So I'll be dropping a link down below where you can pick one up. I carry mine around with me everywhere because it seems like most places when I'm going to like the beach or a park or anything with my friends, I feel like everybody just forgets about the music and they're like, dang, I should have brought a speaker. Well guys, I bring my Tribit speaker and it does the job and then some. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. That's going to be it for this review. I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. Definitely check out the speaker. Do not sleep on this company. Mark my words, they are going to be big one day because they just have amazing quality for the money. Alright guys, it has been your boy BT. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.